Have you ever thought that you can play Pokémon Go at home with a joystick? How to catch rare Pokémon far away from you? Fortunately, there is the safest and smartest Pokémon Go joystick. iMoveGo has multiple modes for more realistic simulation of GPS movement. All you need to do is connect your phone to your PC. First, we choose a location where there are many Pokémon. Select teleport mode in the upper right corner and search for the place you want to go. Here we go to Barcelona in Spain. Now we have arrived here. Switches to joystick mode. In this mode, you can move your perspective 360 degrees. Click the arrow button to move in any direction. This way you can easily catch more Pokémon at home. iMoveGo also has a scheduled route function. Select 2-point mode or multi-point mode. Preset the route you move on the map and set your speed. Click Move. Done. iMoveGo supports Android and iOS and allows multiple devices to be connected. No jailbreak or root required. This is the most secure and convenient motion simulator. Click the link below to use iMoveGo for free.